Hi, all YouTubers. Here is a BNSF freight train at Fullerton Station. Here it comes from over there. Start waving soon. Looks like you got the double-decker
Yellow line.
containers. Okay, start waving. He's loud.
You're on the yellow line. Just.
He honked. He was long and probably heavy. That was probably a full load. If I'm correct, he had 4 or maybe even 5 engines at the front, and you could hear him honk there. So that was absolutely amazing. Listen, you can hear it over here. So loud. It's crazy, I know. Okay, well. Bye all YouTubers, see you in the next video that I have to make ahead of me.